The food will be overflowing, the fun will be never ending, and it's all in the tradition of purely Filipino uh, fun.
Nagsimula Biyernes at magpapatuloy hanggang Linggo sa Calgary ang ikasampung Fiesta Filipino sa syudad. 3 araw na selebrasyon kung saan sentro ang kulturang Pilipino.
The vision has been consistent since day one, since 10 years ago. We aim to elevate the level of Filipino presence here, not just in Calgary or Alberta, but across Canada.
Ilang sikat na artista mula Pilipinas ang nasa Calgary na para sa pagdiriwang ngayong long weekend.
Young P-pop fans that is covered by our BGYO artist, down to the OG, so the original gang of the Dawn, which is Jet Pangan, and our biggest headliner is Darren Espanto along with Joros Gamboa.
Libre ang mga kasiyahan sa Fiesta Filipino at bukod sa celebrities, makikita rin sa pagdiriwang ang booths at vendors na ibinibida ang Pinoy Pride.
Lahat ng namimiss niyong pagkain na Pilipino nandun na. Mayroon po tayong mga market vendors na mga nagbibenta ng mga Filipino products. We also have partnership with professional basketball, Surge Calgary, and they'll do 3-on-3 or 1-on-1 basketball. May partnership din po tayo sa Calgary Opera that will feature Filipino talents.
Biyernes ng gabi, makikita rin ang mga kulay ng Philippine flag sa Calgary Tower.
It will be a once in a year phenomenon. It just fills you with so much pride when you see our colors are up in the top of the city and brimming really shining really brightly. So it's a different level of pride.
Ani Vanji Kawili, maaring makisaya ang mga kababayan sa Fiesta Filipino mula alas 11 ng umaga hanggang alas 11 ng gabi.
I invite everybody, join us, see what we've been doing in Alberta, in Calgary, and experience again the fun and entertainment that is purely Filipino. So that is Fiesta Filipino.